Let us now witness the result of the restored compressor waste oil from Pure Foods San Miguel Corporation. So this is now the result. Here you can see. So the oil, this is the brand new. This is the used O2B for disposal through the machine of Aldepulia Industrial Oil Restoration Apparatus Technology, DOST-ETB number 22-005. So return back to higher efficiency. So it can be reused back to production machine. So here you can see, you can witness the restored compressor oil. So it is very impactful to industries in which they will have a substantial amount of cost savings and reduce their waste disposal. So this is impactful to our economy for national economic development. That support the government implementation on Energy Efficiency and Conservation Act and advocacy to Philippine Clean Air Act of 1999 pursuant to Republic Act 8749. Since this is recovery and reuse of industrial oil coming from fossil fuel, that is one of the solutions for climate change and global warming. So we are reducing the disasters and risk brought by climate change and global warming. So this is a breakthrough to all of us Filipinos that we can give solutions to our own problems. Here, the brand new oil, the used oil, the O2B for disposal, through this patented innovative green technology invention, it will goes like this. So it has a DOST Environmental Technology Verification number 22-005, the process for developing, conducting, and reporting scientifically objective technologies for environment. So objective evaluation for environmental technology. So I hope we can have each mechanical engineer shall contribute to the upliftment, to the problems, to our industries. So in this manner, we can create a sustainable development in our country. Thank you, everybody.